Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11. The referenced account is currently locked out and may not be logged onto. Hold Shift key and select Restart. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Press F4 to enable Safe Mode. Type Local Security Policy in Windows search bar, click Local Security Policy. Open Account Lockout Threshold, change to 0. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.